Huntrix, Saja boys, it's your turn for the concert.
Oh, right. Oh, we're running late.
Let's run. Girls, faster, faster. We need to get through security. I'm first. I'll smooth. Great, I'm next. Awesome. Now it's my turn. Let's see. We have a gold plane. Hooray!
Saja boys, now it's your turn. Come on in. Let's go. Now it's me.
So, what do we have?
What's this? Come on, hurry up. Congratulations, you have a silver plane. Wow, cool. I've always wanted to fly on a plane like that. Now the suitcase check.
Yes.
First, second, third. You girls are all good. You can go through.
Woohoo, let's go.
Now it's your turn. Okay, this is all fine. Here. What's this here?
Jinu, what's that with you?
No, 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 no. I wonder what's in there. Oh, a golden heart.
Wow.
It might be from Rumi. Really sweet. All right, please come through. Thank you.
Wow, girls, it's so beautiful here. This place is fantastic. Welcome aboard, girls. But entry is only allowed in gold outfits. Your clothes aren't suitable. We don't have any outfits. Hooray! We don't have any outfits. We don't have any outfits. Why are you happy about that? Oh. Crafty Lou will fix everything now. Wow, you look so pretty, girls. And I'm still in my old clothes. Come here, Rumi. Now let's give you a makeover, too. First, let's get rid of the old clothes. Next, we'll need a balloon. Let's pop it. Come on, Rumi, I'll help you. I did it! Ooh. High five, well done. Let's cut the balloon and make a golden top out of it. Not bad. Now we need to make shorts. We take golden fabric, spread it out, and trace the pattern. Fold it in half and sew it. These are the shorts we got. Use a piece of the balloon to create pleats and glue them on one side of the shorts. Also take a thin ribbon, sew it with thread, and gather it. Decorate the shoulder with this element and glue on a sleeve. Put on a belt. Take glitter glue and apply shiny golden eyeshadow. Wow, what a gorgeous look we created. Wait, what about the shoes? We'll fix that now. Here you go, all set. Rumi, you look stunning. Yay! Let's go, they're already waiting for you. So, how do I look, girls? Wow, Rumi, you look absolutely amazing. Your style is so cool. Whose look do you like the most? Write in the comments. Zoe, look. Oh, geez. I think I just fell asleep on the job. Hey, girls, how's it going? Wow, you're Huntrix. I'm your fan. Yes, that's us. Didn't you recognize us right away? Oh, can I have your autograph? Of course. Well, girls, are we going to make our fans happy? Let's go. I love you, yeah?
Wow, is that our plane? Guys, look how cool it is. Awesome. Where are our seats?
There's one small detail.
Why?
Our plane will only take off once you have silver looks.
What? Why? We all get it. We're already here.
Yes, that's exactly what we need. Please come through.
Thank you. Guys, are you serious?
What's wrong, Jinu? We just really want to get on the plane.
Yes.
And you'll get on too, Jinu. Don't be upset. Come with me. I'll make you a cool outfit right now. Come on, smile. Or I'll tickle you. I'm really glad I cheered you up.
Thank you. I feel much better.
Let's start by changing your top.
Wow, what a cool top.
And let's make you sponge pants.
But Crafty Lou, how will you do that?
Very easy, Jinu. Watch. And take out the sponge. I don't need it. And got this piece of fabric. Let's measure the right length. Yeah, this part needs to be cut off. Now I need to sew all this. White is just right. Let's sew our piece. So, we sewed the upper part. Now we need to sew the pants themselves. Wow, they fit perfectly.
Wow, they are top-notch and really comfortable.
Now I'll need this tinsel.
And what are you gonna do with it?
You'll soon see. I'm gonna make you a coat, wrapping the tinsel tightly around the arm. Now I'm cutting the end.
Yeah, it looks a little strange, don't you think?
Wait till you see, I'm not finished yet. Wrapping the other arm the same way.
I wonder how this will turn out.
That's not all. Cut the tinsel to make it less fluffy. The sleeve is ready. Let's move to the second one.
Whoa, that's a lot of tinsel.
Add another piece of the coat and trim it too. Looks great.
Wow, I didn't think it would turn out this stylish. Thanks, Crafty Lou.
Well, Jinu, your look is ready. Time to head back to the plane.
Yo, guys, what do you think of my new look? Wow, Jinu, you look amazing! And your coat is gorgeous. Look at those pants. I want a pair like that too. Okay, enough. I already know how cool I am.
You're the Saja boys. I'm your fan. Please sing.
Are we gonna sing for our fans? Yeah! Ready? Of course! Guys, I'm your big fan too. You guys rock.
Wait, you're the pilot.
Yeah, that's me.
Then who's flying the plane?
Relax, guys, I'm flying the plane. Everything's under control.
Oh my, Jinu, you're amazing! I'll need printed noodle boxes and some tinsel. Cut out each piece. Now make slits and fold them. Glue the cup and close the bottom. Assemble 2 more cups in the same way. Okay, now take the tinsel, cut each strip in half, and fill the cups with golden noodles. Cover them with lids. So, Crafty Lou, have you done it? Yes. Here are the golden noodles for Huntrix. Great, time to feed the girls. Girls, it's lunchtime. Yay! Yay! Here you go, Zoe.
Yay!
Oh, can I have chopsticks? Of course, here you go.
Oh my goodness, this is so good. I'm starving.
Tell me about it.
I love noodles. So long. Wow, look at these long noodles, girls. How am I supposed to eat them? Funny. Let me help you, Rumi. I'll step back and you eat.
What? It was that long? I didn't even notice. Long noodles. I want to eat you.
Zoe, those aren't yours.
Hey!
With the list. Now I'm full.
She's so funny.
Boys, time to stretch. Today, we have a yoga class. I brought mats for you.
What? Yoga?
Hey!
Yeah, I love yoga. Hey, Mystery, are you kidding? Huh? Yeah, we're not doing that.
Yes!
Do you have something for real guys? Well, we want to work out.
Yes!
Unfortunately, we only have yoga.
Crafty Lou, we need something for real sports.
Okay, we'll set you up now. The boys want to get stronger. Let's make some dumbbells. They fit. We still need a barbell. Let's make the dumbbells first. Cut large beads off a necklace. Then I take a cotton swab and cut off the cotton ends. Put 1 bead on one end of the swab. Using the same method, make 2 more dumbbells. We still need a barbell. We'll make it from a wooden pyramid toy. First, take it apart and pull out the stick. Take 2 parts from one pyramid and put them on one side of the barbell, on the other side. Now all that's left is to paint the whole set silver. First paint the barbell, then move on to the dumbbells so everything matches. Looks great, time to give them to the boys. Jinu, hold your dumbbells.
Now that's more like it. Oh, what about me, Crafty Lou?
Here's a barbell for you.
Phew!
I'm glad everyone found something to do. Great. Then keep going, and if you need anything, just call me.
Yeah, I can really feel my muscles working. But I need heavier weights. Okay, switching to one arm. Yes! Come here!
Upward dog. Tiger pose. Tree pose.
Oh, I think I did it! Help! Oops!
Handstand. I did it. Woohoo!
Guys, you're so funny. Look how much weight I'm lifting. Did you see that? I did it! Awesome, you're doing great. Oh, yes, I feel strong. Thanks, guys, I'm a real athlete. You're so cool, Abby.
Yeah. Wow, what abs. I'm about to faint. Crafting time. So we'll need some golden foam sheet. Trace the mask with a pencil. Make 4 templates. Cut them out. And start decorating. Glue rhinestones of different sizes above the eye holes. Attach a long stone in the middle. Our masks are ready. Oh, someone's calling. Hello? Oh, it's you, Bobby. Yeah, we'll probably be there soon. I don't know, I need to ask the flight attendant.
Girls, everyone is already waiting for you. Everyone's gathered.
Yes!
Oh no, what do we do? OMG, we won't make it. As usual, we won't make it to our own performance. Please tell me, when do we land? We have a concert soon. We'll arrive soon, don't worry, girls.
So, are we gonna make it or not? I didn't understand.
Jeez, I'm going crazy. Girls, don't be nervous. We'll make it in time.
Girls, don't panic. You need to relax. Look what I have. Face masks.
Wow!
Mira, put on a mask and relax. Rumi, don't worry. Everything will be fine. Here's a mask for you, too. And for you, Zoe. Calm down. Don't get nervous.
Girls, the pilot says you'll make it on time.
Oh, wow!
Yay!
Flight attendant, there's a mask for you, too.
Wow!
We have an idea. We'll turn you into a beauty.
Let's go.
I'll do your hair. I'll paint your nails.
And I'll do your makeup. Have a seat. It's time for an incredible makeover.
Yay!
Give me your hand. I'll be painting your nails. And I'll braid you a super trendy braid.
And now, time for awesome makeup.
Voila! Thank you, girls. Now I have a hairstyle like Rumi's. Thank you, Rumi. Thank you, Mira and Zoe. You're the best. I'm such a beauty now.
Guys, the concert is almost starting.
What? What should we do?
We need to do something immediately. Oh, but what can we do? We're still in the air. I want to get off.
Stop it. Stop the panic.
Let us get off. Fans are waiting for us. We can't miss the concert. We can't let our fans down.
Yes!
Okay, but be careful.
Okay.
Guys, are you ready? I'm first.
Yeah.
And us. And us. This is so cool. We're flying.
I'll help now, Jinu. Come on, Crafty Lou. I need a lot of silver. Let's start with foil. Roll a piece of foil into a tube. Press it to make it denser and thinner. Now fold it in half and cut it in the middle. Make a bend shaped like a wing. Now take a silver foam sheet and glue the wing bases onto it. Cut it out and get wings like these. Time to make silver feathers. Make them out of decorative foil. Cut out the feathers. Shape them like little leaves. Now glue them onto the wings and stick the feathers on one by one. The first layer is done. Here will be the second layer of feathers. Make the third layer from foil. These are the wings for the boys we made. Time to give them to the kids.
Wow, look at these wings. Wow!
Now we can fly!
Let's fly to the concert, guys.
Hello, everyone. This is Huntrix. And we have prepared an awesome performance. Oh, who is that? Is that Jinu? It's Saja, boys.
Hi, my fans. Hi, everyone.
Quite an entrance, wasn't it?
So, are we gonna sing together?
Of course.
Like the moon controls the tide. Maybe we're not what we seem.
Like and comment below which plane you liked best, the gold one or the silver one. Bye-bye!